Hi guys, Nick from Watt Health here. I'm just going to show you a couple of ways that you can make a DIY stand-up desk at home. I know a lot of you are working from home at the moment due to obvious reasons. So I thought I'd just show you a little way that you can go from sort of sitting quite a lot to being able to stand up, at least having the option. So a lot of you have made work desk setups at home, makeshift ones, from dining room tables, from kitchen worktops. Even some of you will probably be on the sofa or in your bed, whatever you're into. So I thought I'd show you a little way of utilising some of that online shopping we've all been doing from Amazon to create a decent workplace environment that keeps your spinal health optimal. So I've got 3 boxes here from the postman for the last couple of weeks. So I've sort of saved those in order to try and create a slightly higher work surface for the laptop. So in this position here, you're able to stand nicely, you're able to drop your shoulders back and down. The computer here or the laptop's in good sort of level with your elbows, so it allows your sort of wrists to rest on here. Obviously you've got to make sure that the boxes aren't too flimsy, nice and sturdy, in order for it not to sort of fall off, because MacBooks or other laptops are quite expensive. You want it to obviously fall, you don't want it to be unsteady. So you'll make sure it's steady, get a nice stable base support, shoulders back and down, wrists resting on the laptop, chin tucked in, and the screen angled so you can sort of just angle your eyes downwards as opposed to coming forward like this. We advise sort of standing for half an hour to 45 minutes and sitting for half an hour to 45 minutes just to keep your back guessing. It's a really nice way of changing the mechanics in your spine and changing the pressures within your spine in order to stop little injuries from popping up, or even discomfort, muscle aches, discal related pain, or even sometimes sciatica. We've got a sciatica video coming up in the next day or so that we're putting together, just to give you some self-help advice for that as well if you are getting that on prolonged sitting periods. But just for now, this is a really good way. It's just a few boxes, making sure that it kind of comes into your elbow level here, so you can kind of sit nicely onto the laptop here, type away, keeping those shoulders back and down in good alignment. So have a little go yourself, let us know how you get on. Obviously subscribe to our YouTube channel, Watt Health. Like the video, share the video, whatever you want to do with it, slag me off, whatever you want to do with it. But just thought I'd show you a nice couple of ways to help you out at home. Thanks guys.